Videotaping him putting his cookies out for Santa in his undies.
And put this cookie where?
Are you
Christmas jammies.
Oh. Okay. No. These are the ones for him. Right here. Here, you put them up there, so he knows where they are when he comes up the chimney.
Order down the chimney. Why doesn't it come on the chimney instead of the door?
Well, because the chimney's under slippers
Well,
and Christmas jammies.
memory foam slippers.
They're so cozy.
They look cozy. And jammies.
But look, notice that you can wear them outside if you want to.
Yes.
That's what's
And
cool.
shovel in them. Thank you, babe.
Welcome. I've had those slippers forever. All the time when you're like,
I
wish I had slippers.
That's so awesome.
like jammies.
Look.
Thank you, babe.
Oh, they're Christmas
Oh my
ones.
gosh.
But
They're way bigger than they were supposed to be. Step in.
oh, they're cozy.
Good.
Holy.
Okay, go put your jammies on because Steph's going to take a picture of us for our Christmas jammies in front of the tree.
Oh yeah, babe. You put them on and you stand there a second and your feet go.
Yeah. Jack, you want to show me your Christmas jammies? Do a little dance in them for me.
Does this have a top?
No. There's no such thing as dive tops.
I know.
Say Happy Christmas.
Happy
I almost bought you a
Christmas.
t-shirt to go with it.
That's okay. I'll just wear this shirt.
You're so cute. Oh. Here.
For
Put
right
on
now.
like your I love something to your I love Washington D.C. or whatever. Nice.
Just because it's Christmas, I have to go change my clothes.
Yeah, because we have to have a cute picture. Do you like
Why is the
those?
doggy
Yeah,
a policeman? Why is the doggy
So the doggy's a fireman.
Why is he a fireman? Why is he a fireman?
Let me see how cute Jack, you are. Show us your jammies. I told him to do a little dance to show me.
I am doing the dance.
Very nice. Will you hold still and show them to me? Show them off, model it. Strike a pose. He's totally getting poses.